Hi, this is Jim Traw, Habitation Investigation, here with another home seller tip. Your furnace. All furnaces are supposed to get serviced about every year or so. They're supposed to every year. But when we don't see on the furnace, there's a label. The label has not been filled out, that hasn't been serviced. All home inspectors are supposed to write that up because that's the service thing. Let me show you on this furnace here. On this furnace here, I'm looking around, there's no sticker. Check it all out. There's nothing on this one showing that it has been serviced within the last year or so. And then on this one, this is the air filter. You can see it's collapsed in, probably because it's dirty. So it's not allowing air to pass through like it should. So that's something that needs taken care of. So have your furnace serviced. That's very important. That gives the buyer the feeling that you're actually taking care of your stuff in the house. And then change your filter. Nothing says neglect more like a filthy air filter that is collapsed in there. So there you go. Have your furnaces serviced before you list it to sell, and then clean your air filters. Change those things out. All right, bye-bye.